With that, what are some of the typical benefits that companies tend to see when they deploy FactoryWiz?
We eliminate a lot of guesswork. So now, all of a sudden, you're working with facts. So in terms of the machine monitoring, within factories, it's actually the machine that does all of the time stamping. So now, if you're unsure if and when it was running and when exactly it did start, a lot of that information previously was open to operator's opinion. Yeah, the machine started at around 7 a.m. Well, factually, it actually started at 7:15. Now, if you imagine if you lose the first 15 minutes of every shift across each asset in your business across a year, that adds up a lot.
Yep, sure.
So if you can just eliminate just that one little piece, that's great for any business. So we get them working with facts. We really like to visualize production data, uptime of the machine, the cycle times of the machines running correctly, any idle times, any concerns from the operators, highlight any bottlenecks, and really visualize as much as we can. And we like engage the operators as well with the tablets on each machine.
Okay.
Operators, in my opinion, can often not be properly listened to, maybe. I don't know if that's the correct term, but the operator might be voicing his concerns and they're not really being listened to very well.
Sure.
Now, if an operator's got a tablet on his machine and every time he has to go and find tools because they aren't readily available and he hits the tooling button, you can quickly see and build up, well, we're losing so many hours per week just because of tooling. You can put a value against that time now and you can say, okay, he was right all along. We do need to invest in some new vending equipment, for example. People can make these decisions now based on fact rather than opinion.
Sure. Also,
the ability to be able to react in real time to issues out on the shop floor rather than waiting until the event has happened. They've got the ability to react in real time, get some process improvement from operator feedback. But the end goal and the end aim is to increase your productivity and profits. And working with facts, visual manufacturing, communication to the shop floor is how we do it.
Yep, that's great.